I'm Brittany with WTI, and who here has not experienced heel pain? I know I have. And what really helps to keep these boots on walking are these YOGAMEDIC Silicone heel pads. I love these. They're so easy to put on and so squishy and comfortable. It comes with 2 pairs, so it works for me and my husband, and it is so helpful. You can easily put your socks and your shoes on over it. It's great for hiking, any activity outdoors, even running if you're doing on sidewalk or pavement. They are so small and compact, but really stretch far. So that's what allows it to fit onto any size foot. It's got the holes in it to allow aeration, for it to be so much comfortable. It is just such an easy thing to slip into. It has no difficulties. And then if you are outdoors and your foot gets dirty at the end, what I love about these is that they're so easy to wash up, clean, and then just put it off to the side and let them dry for another use. I also love using these when I am in dress shoes, because sometimes I'm doing a lot of standing or walking. So I really love the option of having that, so that no matter what I'm doing in my volunteer work, I can always have that extra support that I need. So this is just such an easy thing to have. If you find you're getting some discomfort or heel pain, these are going to give you the cushion support you need. And that's my point of view.